Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of this channel. So yeah, this is going to be a trade breakdown video instead of some educational video. Yeah, there will be some educational points, but this is mainly going to be a trade breakdown. And I took this short on NQ. Now, what's the logic behind this short and everything we will cover in this video. I will come straight to the point. This was the TPO chart. Now you can see this was the previous day value here, and we broke this value at open and I simply shorted for this value here. Now this was a simple breakout strategy, previous day value area or some previous balance area breakout that to some upper or lower value. Simple as that short was this trade, and you can see I shorted somewhere here and booked my TP here. So yeah, this was a simple logic here. Now coming to the TPO. We opened in previous balance range only and tried to break out once in Asia, but the breakout didn't sustain, so we reversed back to this range, and whole day we were just ranging. So yeah, this was a good sign that AM will expand a bit, but it expanded a lot basically. But capturing whole move all the time like this, these moves are uncertain. They don't occur every day, every week. So this kind of moves are like hard to predict. But I predicted this short here till this, like this was the setup only. Rest move I don't care because this is just I just need some my setup, and that is 2 to 3 RR. That's it, bro. Nothing more than that. So this was a TPO simple breakout of previous balance area. And coming to the higher time frame chart, you can see. So in previous video, you remember I told that we will just take balance from here and rejection from here, and we just went to the all-time highs, not all-time highs, but yeah, previous highs. So it swept out those. Now this is the deciding point. You can see this is a balanced area here, and price make a balanced area. Now previous balance was this zone. Now, what price does is simple basic rule of price action is sorry, price goes from balance to imbalance to balance to imbalance. Like this cycle goes on. So price goes from balance area, which is this one, to imbalance, which is this small price here. So price stays balanced for more time compared to imbalance price. These moves don't occur regularly. So yeah, these moves are hard to predict, but yeah, we can trade them. And the simple logic was we were in a balance area. Now when we broke this, I was waiting for some kind of information that this breakout will have, like this breakout will work out or not. So we can see there is this balance range low was 26,122, and this balance range was 26,156. Now I mark out both on my on candlestick chart. Now you see great accumulation near the previous value. So this setups occurs like a balance and then a fake out here, then goes back to the range, and we will just see a move towards the opposite side. So two things can happen here: either price goes away with a fake out, and then it goes to the upper side, like opposite side value. But here, what it happens, like it gives a breakout, but sustained here. You can see the higher highs were like sustaining. You can see here, and after this rejection from this order block, or I can see some food. If you see footprint chart, there will be some imbalance there, and aggressive orders were like at this point there was aggressive orders there in this week. Then all those aggressive orders, like they find value below, and people started shorting. So this is the order flow concept, but you can see this is a beautiful trade, and I got some 2.8 RR. And TP was this previous low, and you can see this is a balance previous balance area which got yesterday that NPOC got tapped in after I guess FOMC. I took a long also here. So yeah, somewhere I got a long here also. I saw So you can see this setup like price went into a balance area. Now when price break the balance, it is like a fake out or a breakout. Now it depends like how price reacts here. So here you can see completely shifted towards opposite side. Now it's a fake out. Sorry, a fake out, yes. But I took entry somewhere here after confirmation of this high, and TP was like a little up there, but I closed after this low got break. So pretty good trade at almost PM session and day close. So this was the long for yesterday because whole day was choppy. I took a long here but closed break even because the trade weight has a problem and debit where even trading was not even working properly. So I closed trade there. But this long worked well, and today this short also worked well. So you will see some similar pattern there, which is balance range formed, fake out or breakout. Now that depends on how price reacts at this zone. If it like making higher highs here, then obviously go for higher values. But if it making lower lows here, now if if it is respecting the previous balance range and making lower lows at this point, now I will prefer to take a short for lower value. So in both cases, moves are pretty solid in such setups, and you will find it like every day, like yesterday also. Monday you see, okay, this was this long I didn't take, but I took this short. No simple setup, but it occurred in I guess pre-market session. So yeah, this setup was not that was good, and it happened here. I waited for some reaction from this zone, and yeah, good shot there. But if you go previous session, yeah, this is not any good example. Yeah, one example here, there was Friday and there was one zone here. So what happened here was price make this balance range here, and I actually long here only, and price just hit my stop loss in next candle and just went for TP. So yeah, this was, now we can't resist TPs and SS. These are like outcomes we cannot control them, but we can control our emotions during the trade and after the trade, how our plans perform well. We just take care of that, and yeah, market is that thing only. So yeah, this is for this video. I hope you got some kind of value from this video, and yeah, see you in another video of some breakdown or some educational video. So yeah, take care, bye bye.